Hello friends, I'm Melanie from MelanieCooks.com, and today I'll be cooking frozen chicken thighs in the air fryer. So we need a bag of frozen boneless, skinless chicken thighs, so no need to defrost. We're cooking it straight from frozen. And we also need seasonings of your choice. I'm going to use salt, black pepper, and garlic powder, and you can use any seasonings you like. So let's take out the air fryer basket. And I'm going to put frozen chicken thighs in an air fryer basket. And I'm going to season them later because when they're frozen, the seasonings don't stick to them. If you'd like, you can just sprinkle them on top, but I prefer to just do it later in the cooking process. So let's put them in the air fryer. And I'm going to set the temperature to 390 degrees Fahrenheit, and I will set the time to 25 minutes. Now halfway through the cooking time, let's take out the air fryer basket. So now I'm going to season the chicken thighs and then flip them over and season the other side. I'm just going to sprinkle them with salt, black pepper, and garlic powder. And same with the other side, so let's flip them over. Now let's season the other side. And let's put them back in the air fryer and let them finish cooking. Now the air fryer is done cooking, so let's take a look. Look at these chicken thighs. They're perfectly cooked and they look amazing. Now if you want to make sure they're fully cooked, you can always use the instant read thermometer. For the chicken thighs, the internal temperature should be at least 180 degrees Fahrenheit. Yeah, they're fully cooked. And they were cooked straight from frozen. Look how good they look. So nicely browned and perfectly cooked. So let me take them out. So good. I just cut it so you can see the inside. So see, fully cooked. Perfect. And now let's try it. They're so soft, so juicy inside, and nicely browned on the outside. You will love them. Air fryer is a great way to cook boneless, skinless frozen chicken thighs. For a free printable recipe and other easy recipes, please visit my website, MelanieCooks.com, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!